An IRA is an individual retirement account with any financial institution, and there are two types of tax treatment that you could expect on an IRA. The first is referred to as a traditional IRA, receives tax-deferred growth and tax-deferred benefits. You can put money into a traditional IRA and receive a tax benefit in the current year, so potentially a tax deduction today, and the money in that account will grow without taxation until the time where you would take it out in retirement, and then you would pay taxes. A Roth IRA is not going to give you any tax benefits in the current year. The contributions will be made with money that has already been taxed, but once the money is in a Roth account, it will go tax-free into the future. And then when you take the money out, everything that you've saved and all of the growth from that account is able to be taken out of the account in retirement with no taxes at all. The answer is yes, you can absolutely have both, a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. You can also have both a 401k and an IRA. The important thing to be aware of is that the IRS will set a limit to how much you can contribute in a given year. And that contribution limit is per person, not per account. So if you wanted to open a traditional IRA and you also wanted to fund a Roth IRA, you can do that, but you cannot go over the individual contribution limit for the current year. For an individual under the age of 50 is $6,000. So you can contribute up to that amount in one account, or you can split it between two accounts, however you like, but the contribution amount is per person, but you can absolutely spread it across accounts if that's something that's desirable to you. The answer is it really depends on the person. Universally, one's not necessarily better than the other. One will provide you with a tax benefit today, potentially. One will provide you with a tax benefit in the future. If you're trying to figure out which one you want to contribute to, I would consult a tax professional, so either a public accountant, an enrolled agent, or a tax attorney.